Hello, Sextile Killer X here. Welcome back to another yugioh box opening, and we're doing our final two boxes of the Maximum Gold Dorado display box. So another bonus video between newer sets coming out. So let's get into this. Status number of the Cinder cards: Access, Talker, Chamber, Dragon Maid, IP, Masquerina, Pot of Extravagance, and Predator Plant, Anaconda. Name a few. So I've pulled some pretty awesome cards already. If you want to find out exactly what, you'll have to go and watch the older openings. So what will be the last openings of these to find out what we got. Yeah, I don't know if I got that one very well. We'll find out in a minute. That answers that question. Can't get it open. Half the video is me opening the box. There we go. Get those out of here. Eventually. There we go. My rubbish bag back there. Got that one that's run away. That one in our recycling pile. Make this one open nice and easy, hopefully. Yep. Take these last few packs out. Banging a minute. Righty-ho. So our last 8 packs. Can we get anything epic? Well, more epic than what we've already got. Here we go. That's 1 minute. Well, as I've turned my fan on, you'll definitely be able to hear it. So, we have a Cloudy Canvas, Hot Red Dragon Archfiend, Hot Red Dragon Archfiend, so the other one was Bane, Rainbow Neos, Elixir, the Scarlet Sanguine, we have the Weather Painter Snow, and Primatech Alimberton. These names. So sometimes I just choose 2 random words and then stick them together and say, that'll do. Anyway. Right, so we have number 3, New Gate. We've got that one a couple of times now. Also, guys, Phantom Knights of Ancient Cloak, the Fire Charmer, Majesty's Fiend, Soul Eating of Ariaptor, and the Weather Painter Rainbow. It does, they can open that lot. A bonus way to open it. Number 9, Dyson Sphere, the Weather Painter Rain, Prank Kids and Lampsea, Firewall Dragon, Prank Kids Pandemonium. Oh, Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon, that's another better one to get. And we have, oh, there he is, one of the top 5 hitters, Pot of Extravagance. Lovely. Just what we wanted. Pulled one of the top 5 cards in the set in the final mini boxes. Lovely. That's also very nice. I realised Darkness Metal Dragon. Also Extravagance. Right. Here we go. We've got the Weather Snowy Canvas. Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Juggernaut Libra. These names. Code Talker, Wind of the Wind Chamber, Prank Kids Rockstar. I've invoked Machiba, and no doubt massive one again. The one that's like 5 or 13s to make it. I'm sure there's a way of getting that out really easy. I think you can use the smaller version of that, the baby one, to do a upgrade on it. You know what it is. Ancient Chaos Force, that sort of thing. Right, we have a number 41 Bagasuda Terrible Tide Tapir. We have a Cythrone Lord Lambert. Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Gustav Max. Prank Creator Lampsey. We have Usa the Earth Chalmer. Black Rose Dragon, I can definitely remember that one being up there. And we have, oh yes! That is the third best one. IP Masquerina. Lovely. This is definitely being a good box. Lovely. Next three. Oh, next actually 3 more to go. We have a Numeron Calling. Treasure of the Yangzing. Usa the Earth Charm, Prank Creator Rocket Ride. Era the Water Chamber. Destiny Plasma and Regeki. Can't be a bit of Regeki. I almost randomly pulled out the right amount of sleeves, but I'm too short. Well, no, 4 short, so. No, 2 short, yeah. That was already open. That was already open. Let's see if everything's here. Looks like it. Weird. Number C1 Numeron Chaos Gate. Numeron 2. Number 2 Summon Land. Signet Mining. We have a Chimeron the Golden Lamp. An Exodia the Forbidden one. Another one. Very nice. And a Cursed Eldland. It's always good to get an Exodia. And the last pack of our maximum gold. Remember anything else? We have the Weber Rainbowed Canvas. Hot Red the Dragon Arch King Calamity. Prank Creator Weather Washer. Costa Play on M7. Salaga Great Elmiral. In the final two we have Familiar Palest Lena and Twin Twisters, and so I need to get a couple of sleeves off of them. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to push the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. For my Twitter and Instagram, links always down below. This is 7xLikeX. I'll see you in next yugioh box opening. Thank you so much for watching.